welcome to this Gia makeup tutorial. So a lot of you guys were requesting one and I had so much pictures I really couldn't choose. So guys, trust me when I say another Gia tutorial is coming. I had a really hard time choosing from the photos and I fell in love with this magazine print cover that she was on, and that was the ideal look that I was going for. But trust me, I will make a second video if this wasn't the look that you guys wanted me to do. And honestly, I pre-filmed this months ago and I was debating whether or not I should trash it or upload it. I just didn't like it, but here I am uploading it for you guys. I just looked at the footage again and realized, you know what, it's not so bad. I do like it. It's not the true Gia look that I was going for, that it has made her known, but it is something that she's done, and I didn't want to do the typical first thing. So I do have lots of pictures of her stored for my next look that I want to do for her. So do not fret if this was not the makeup tutorial you wanted for Gia. So as you could see, I just did my foundation and concealer like normal. I did put some concealer in my eyebrows because in the photos, Gia does have very light eyebrows, and my eyebrows are so dark. It is so hard to lighten them. It is so hard to cover them with glue stick. But yeah, I'm going to do a smoky eye here, and I'm taking my Dido Cosmetics. I think this is their Saturn palette, and I'm just placing like a dark brown all over my lid area. Guys, I'm not like the best at smoky eyes. This is why I was so hard on myself to upload this video, because I hated it. I kept telling myself this is terrible, but it is what it is, and it's just as close as I got to recreating her look. So that is what I am doing, and I'm sorry if it doesn't meet your standards, but I am just try to achieve makeup person. I love recreating looks, but that doesn't mean I'm a professional makeup artist. I just like recreating looks, and I don't think that you have to be a professional to recreate looks. So yeah, I did take the eyeshadow pretty high up. I think this this spread in the magazine was either in the late 70s or early 80s, so the makeup was already doing this blown out thing on the eyes. So I did raise it up high for you guys, and it's just something different that I do for my channel. I do think this eyeshadow look complements brown eyes, and it's obviously going to complement I almost said compromise complement eyes of different colors as well. But we brown-eyed gals or brown-eyed boys have trouble with eyes popping because our eyes are so dark. If you have light brown eyes, you don't have that issue, but for someone like me, I would consider my eyes to be dark brown. So this eyeshadow look does make them pop. But yeah, and you're gonna want to add some black eyeliner, and that's gonna make the look pop as well. And also just keep blending that eyeshadow. This tutorial is really self-explanatory. I don't need to explain every step. I just kind of wanted to come on here and talk to you guys. But once we're done with all that, like when we put on the natural lashes, and we're not going to take lashes that are too crazy because I didn't see any, but her eyelashes did stand out. We are going to just take a nice toned blush, place that all over our cheeks. And she did have a lot of blush on. Like I said, this was either the late 70s or early 80s, and blush was a huge thing. So after blush, we are going to move on to the lips. As you can see, I did place the lashes after putting on the blush because lashes need time to get tacky. And for the lips, I am using Strip Down by MAC to line my lips. This is my favorite brown nude lip color. And yes, it's by MAC. And for the rest of the lips, I'm using Creme Brulee by Maybelline, and then that is your Gia look. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!